Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the new electrostatic sunshade that I got for my Model Y. So this is the Muhmu Electrostatic Sunshade that I got from Amazon. It is very easy to install and you have no loss of headrooms because this simply cling onto the top roof. To remove it, you can simply peel it off like this. And if you can see right here, this is the electrostatic film. This is not sticky at all, so it's not gonna damage your roof. So to put it back, you simply push it in. See right there? It's really nice. I have seen some people posting questions in Amazon if this white surface is showing from the outside, and that's actually one of my concerns before I purchased this. So I just want to show you how it looks like from the outside. So let me go out. So this is the inside, and this is the outside. So let me show you. Okay, so this is the top from the outside, and you can see that none of the white surface is showing from the outside, so it's not gonna ruin the looks of your car from the outside. So let me go to the other side, and here it is from the other side. So the white spot you're seeing there are basically clouds, reflection, and this is from the back. So this part here does not have the sunshade, only that portion right there. So overall, this is a really good purchase, and you can see right now I actually adjusted this so that it covers all the surface, and I have this now for I think over a month already, so it never goes off. And if you need to take it out, all you need to do is just pull it, and you can look again outside. It's clean and there's no issue putting it back on. Okay, so I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.